Attention Arizona drivers! Do you have a damaged windshield? And do you have glass coverage through your insurance? Get your insurance-approved windshield replacement done with New Vision Auto Glass and automatically qualify for a minimum of $120 cash back and free dinner at Rodizio Grill. Click on the button below to instantly qualify for this special offer. New Vision Auto Glass provides free mobile service and a 100% lifetime workmanship warranty on all auto glass replacement services. Come see why New Vision Auto Glass has over 500 five-star online reviews and experience our industry-leading customer experience for yourself. To claim your minimum of $120 cash back and free dinner at Rodizio Grill, click on the button below now. This special offer is only available at New Vision Auto Glass, where we help you to see clearly and drive safely.
New Vision Auto Glass. See clearly, drive safely.